The Malaysian government has decided April 21st and 22nd is a public holiday for all Malaysians to celebrate Eid al-Fitr. However, on the 1st of May 2022, all citizens were surprised by the date of the public holiday, causing every citizen rushing to their hometown. This can be avoided by doing all of those steps. Step 1. If you are on the way to your hometown using public transportation, you are recommended to buy the ticket early before or 1 hour before departure. Ministry of Transportation just confirmed every journey using public transportation including boats and ferries. Step 2. That is recommend that you need to pack early between 1 day before and 3 hours before departure. Step 3. Don't use frequently used roads. This can cause an accident, jam, etc. Please follow all of the steps. Stay safe on the road.